What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bill back in the video, man. In this video, man, we have McDonald's. Right here we have their signature Big Mac, their ranch wrap or ranch chicken wrap, whatever, and a large fry. I'm super excited. Let's get right into it. First, I'm gonna take a bite into the Big Mac. Then we're gonna try the chicken ranch wrap. I mean, you can't really ever go wrong with a Big Mac. Super good. Super good. If you don't like Big Macs, I don't know what to tell you. Alright, now let's try this ranch chicken wrap. So, I look inside and it's like loaded with ranch. So, hopefully it's good. This is 390 calories. There's not like any meat on this. I mean, there is. I should have like folded like this, I guess. It's good. It's not bad. That bite was better. It's good. It's nothing crazy. Alright, it's good, but I don't know. It's good. It's just like it wasn't like, oh my wow. But the Big Mac in the spot. Who do y'all think has the best fast food fries? Okay, bro. I think Chick-fil-A does. Chick-fil-A might. A lot of people say McDonald's because like you can like grab a lot, but like we're talking about taste, not how you eat it. You know what I mean? And my camera's about to die, so let me hurry up.